Premier David Eby has repeatedly cited involuntary care as an answer to random and violent attacks, like the ones we've seen recently making headlines across BC. Now, he says the 10 mental health beds that have opened Thursday at the Surrey Pretrial Centre are the first step.
It's for a very small cohort of people who are struggling in a very visible, serious, and public way, where their own safety is compromised, as well as the safety of the broader community.
The announcement comes after a Toronto tourist shared her account of being violently attacked by a stranger while she was walking on Vancouver's seawall.
And I just thought, like, oh my God, I'm going to die.
Peter Hans Jalo Nungo has been charged with assault causing bodily harm. He was released on bail with conditions that include receiving forensic psychiatric services. Eby says the attack is disturbing.
I'm very hopeful that this individual, that there'll be interventions to ensure that this individual does not repeat a cycle of violence. That's exactly what today's announcement is about.
This BC Conservative public safety critic says the beds at Surrey Pretrial will not address the larger opioid crisis or help families trying to find mental health care for their loved ones.
This expansion is for people who are in custody because of an entanglement with the criminal justice system. But the vast majority of people who are suffering and who need our help here in BC are not entangled with the criminal justice system.
Eby says the province will open more beds this spring for individuals who have not been arrested. Dr. Daniel Vigo, tapped by the Premier to be the province's chief scientific advisor for psychiatry, toxic drugs, and concurrent disorders, says those in custody will also receive treatment and services in the community after they've been released.
Our patients will now receive the level of psychiatric care they need the moment they need it.
More mental health beds will also be available next month at the Alouette Correctional Centre in Maple Ridge. Katie DeRosa, CBC News, Victoria.